For those who watch my channel on a regular basis, you will know I've been putting LED light strips around my room, and you will also know that one of them is a little bit short. Well, today I'm going to be taking that one that's a little bit short down and replacing it with this little baby. This is called Cozylady LED light strip, and it's 50 foot long, so it should be more than enough to do the job, hopefully anyway. And it's a smart one, so you can connect it to your smart device like Alexa, stuff like that, and it should work perfectly. So we're going to have a quick look around the box, see what you get for your money, and then we're going to do the installation and set it all up. So it says Wi-Fi LED strip light, a little bit of information on there, Cozy LED inch, 2200 California Street. Oh, we've got a whole address on there. Well, Cozylady. Oh, so that was the bottom, was it? I don't know. Cozylady. So it's got RGB, which is what I want. So it works with music, same with one of my others that I've got up there, and you can do it on a timer as well, same as the one I've got up there. It works with Google and She Who Shall Not Be Named. Powered by Toya. Intelligent Insight. I think I've got that app already on one of my others, so it should be quite easy to set up. So let's get her out of the box and see what you get for your money. Oh, looks like you get a good package. I forgot to tell you, this costs round about £35 to £36 to buy, and at the time of making this video there is a 5% discount voucher on the Amazon website. Like I said, I'll stick a link in the video description so you can go and check it out. So we have some stickies. So these are little cable management things. There's quite a few there actually. There's what, at least 10. That's very good. Some different types of cable management. So these would just hold them in. You can just screw them into a wall or something. Oh, I don't think I need them ones, but I do need them ones. So we have some double-sided. Very nice. So you should have some on the reel itself, but this would be spare, which would be brilliant. I'm assuming that's going to be spare. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm assuming. Nice big remote control. Will it come with a battery? Most of them do, but some don't, not always. So basic settings, same as, well, looks the same as most of my others, but different colour, and it says Cozylady. That's quite nice actually. Instruction manual. And I'm not going to bother with that. I'll read that later. The power brick, 3 pin for the UK market. Feels a quite nice solid build. The main control box, this little baby here, and it's got a Q code on it for getting the app. Smart Life Wi-Fi controller. And it looks like it's got a microphone. And the cable. Oh, 2 of them. There you go. So you get 2 of them, so you should be able to link them up. Looking at that, but we will see. So that is everything you get in a box. 2 of them. That's very good. Power brick. Extra double-sided, because it should already be on here. It better be anyway. So have a quick look. Yeah, look, there it is. Oh yeah, comes with extra double-sided. Some stickies to stick it to a wall or whatever you're sticking it to for your cable management, and an alternative to your cable management, which is nice. That is everything you get in the box. So with that, I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions just in case there's anything I missed, and then I'm going to do the installation. So with that, let's get on with it. So now we're going to set up to our Wi-Fi and connect it all to my phone and everything else. And there are two different apps you can download. You can either download the Toya Smart app, this baby here, or you can do the Smart Life app. I've already got the Smart Life app installed already, so I'm going to be using that one. So I'll move that out of the way. Bring that across. Now before we start, something you will have to do, you will have to set your router or router, whatever you want to call it, to 2.4 gigahertz only. Do not have it on dual Wi-Fi. Make sure your 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi is turned off, because it will not work. It will not set up. It must be 2.4. If you want it to work, set it to 2.4. Once it's connected, you can turn on the 5 gigahertz. It will be fine after that. But to start with, for setting it up, making the connection to your lights, you will have to set it to 2.4 only. So I just thought I'd make that quite clear. Like I said, it will not work. So get your Smart Life up. You will have to register if you've never registered. I have all my studio lights already set up on this, as you can see. We're going to add a new device. You will need lighting, and I am going to go for strip light Wi-Fi, that baby there. Look, as you can see, 2.4 gigahertz only. You must turn off the 5 gigahertz. That is something to bear in mind. So make sure you've got that set up. So what you need to do now is you turn on your lights, like so, and go next. It's flashing. I've checked, it's flashing. Confirm, press next, and it will do a search. Give it a few seconds, hopefully it'll find it. Might be too far away, I don't know, because I'm at one side of the room and it's at the other side of the room. Oh look, it's found it. Adding device, that's quick. There it is, Smart Wi-Fi Music LED strip. So click on done. You can actually go in there and change the name of it. I'm going to leave it alone for now. We just want to see if it works perfectly. It's turned the lights on, I just noticed it's turned the lights on. So that is all set, there it is, it's up there. And there you go, so you can change the colours, so red, green, blue, so light blue, dark blue. So you can do everything like that manually. You can turn the lights on and off. So that's off, turn it back on again, that's on. You can go to different modes. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Change speeds. Slider there. You can do flashing. And, there's always an and, you can do music. You can do classic, rock or soft. Go for classic. And it works on a mic, so you've got mic sensitivity. So that'd be interesting. So if you've got speakers in your room like I've got, what you can do is play some music, the mic will pick it up and the lights will play to the music. So give me a second, I will sort something out and set her up. Right, she's all set up and it's working fine. Let's have a little play about it. So I've got a bit of music on my computer and I've got some speakers, and I'm going to set the sensitivity to max. Put it on rock just to try it out. Let's play a bit of music. This is copyright free music in case anyone's wondering. So we ain't got to worry about that. That works pretty well. Turn sensitivity down. Still working. And that's working fine. I'll leave it out there for now. Change speed. That's working fine. Try it on classic. So classic is a lot slower, as you can see. Soft, try it on soft. You know, it's supposed to be playing soft music, but I just wanted to try it out. I see. So yeah, so that works fine. No issues there whatsoever. What else? You've got flash, so that's just flashing through the colours. That looks fine. You can adjust the speed on that up to 100. Oh yeah, that's going quite rapid. Slow it right down, of course. And that's going to be very slow. That's a bit better. Okay, so that works fine, no issues there. It's got a timer on it. Obviously I've not set any timers up, but you can add a timer for when you want it to come on and go off. Smooth, we have a smooth setting. Oh, I see, it's like a pulsating sort of smooth. Oh, that's quite nice, huh? That's quite nice and subtle. So yeah, so you have, you know, 3 options on there. So that and flash and the music one. I quite like the music one actually, especially on the rock. Disco night, disco night. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. And there you go. So like I said, I have my studio lights on here as well. So they're all set up, and I've linked them up, by the way. And I will be linking this up at some point, or maybe switching it over to these. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, looking at it, it works very easily with no issues. If you want to choose a colour, you can either just click on one of these down here, and it will just go to the right colour, whatever colour you want. I quite like that green. The green stands out really nice. Yeah, it's very good. Very good, very easy. If you want to turn it off, easy enough, turn it back on. So yeah, everything seems to be running fine. I do like the modes. Not sure, you know, about these smooth things, but you know, it's a nice little effect. Look, I do like the music one. I think it's very good. Right, so I'm going to come off of that. So I'm going to turn it off. It says it's running in the background, so I've shut it right down. Move that out of the way. Let's have a quick look at the remote control. So remote control on and off. That's off, and it goes off. You don't have to point. Oh, it's not off. You do have to point it. Right, that is off. And I broke it. Oh, sorry, it was on. So I've turned it on, turned it back on. So again, you have the colours red, green, blue and white. Let's try red. I've always still got it on music mode, so I wonder if I can turn it off. Auto. I've got to point it, sorry. I've got to point it roughly in that direction. Oh, it's still on, it's still stuck on my music thing. Let me turn it off, turn it back on. Right, no, not going off now. Testing, right, it's gone off, I think. Yes, it's gone off, right. It was still stuck on my phone mode. So the remote's working. Will it work without me pointing it? No, it won't. It needs directions. It needs to see the sensor, okay? So that's interesting. So it's not seeing the sensor at the moment. So let's go for red. Yeah, now it is. I haven't played about the sensor. I ain't got the sensor in the right place because I probably won't be using the sensor. I'm just doing it just to see if it works. I want white. Give me white. There you go. We have an auto button. See what the auto button does. It probably does different modes, and then you've got things like fade, strobe, smooth, jump, things like that. Let's try fade. And you have music mode on here as well. So I'm going to try music mode number 2. So this is music mode. So let me put some music on. Oh, and it works. It even works without using the app. So if you want the music on and you've got some speakers, it will work. Let's turn that off. And then you have adjustments on here as well for brightness, and also I believe this is for brightness as well. I could be wrong on that, baby, but that's what that's for. And the timer, that looks like a timer down there, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. So yeah, works really well. Is it worth the money? Yeah, I think so. It definitely brightens up the room, and it goes right to the end. And I've still got another 25-foot one to put up. I haven't decided where I'm going to put it yet because 25 foot is a little bit too big to go to the sides. I've got some smaller ones, so I might try one of them. So with that, if you enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.